inspiration behind Sugar Factory is to basically welcome guests from all ages to come celebrate with us with a sugar rush behind it. They can definitely experience the sugar rush after our monster milkshakes and our sweet and savory burgers that we have, and a wide selection of items on our menu. One of our signature items is a South Beach FLAIR, and obviously our great King Kong Sundae. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I bring you, our South Beach FLAIR, which I love the most because it brings me back to my roots. It's pretty much Miami in the burger. You have lettuce, tomato with chipotle mayo, followed by certified Angus beef burger, and topped with pepper jack cheese and fried plantains layered with chimichurri sauce. One iconic moment I can experience here, or I have experienced here in Sugar Factory, is watching our guests' facial expressions light up with joy when the King Kong Sundae arrives to their table. This is the King Kong Sundae with 24 scoops of ice cream. Can feed up to 12 people with gummy bears, candy lollipops, and pretty much everything sweet.